All right, let's face the issue here. You need some money as a teenager. I've been there, so I'm gonna show you my top side hustles on how to make some money for you as a teenager. Believe me, I've been through like every single side hustle there possibly is on the internet, and I know what works and what doesn't work. So with that being said, the first one I wanna show you is CPAing with Glitchy. You've definitely seen the YouTube videos. They're like, okay, you're gonna make a YouTube short video, and then you're gonna make a TikTok video, you're gonna post it, get millions of views, make a lot of money, drive these people to the site to fill out a survey. You've definitely seen those because I've made them myself. But I can't lie, it's true, and let me show you an example. Just for this video, I did an example for you, because I know there'll be doubt. But look at this. This is my page called Cleveland. I just post memes, okay? This is within the span of weeks. 1.3 million views, 2.5 million views, 2.4 million views, 1.9 million views, a lot of views. And I did this all from the comfort of my home, on my computer, or my phone. So let me show you even deeper how to make this. Who's ready to go to the studio? Okay, we're finally back in the studio and I can show you how to exactly do this now. So get on a phone, get on a computer, whatever device you have that has access to the internet, get on that. First, let me show you how I made these meme videos that are getting millions and millions of views every single day and is making me a good amount of money. First, this is really it. I mean, it's nothing special. So where do I find the actual content, the videos for this? Well, it's pretty simple. And you probably do it in your everyday life. You just scroll Reels or scroll TikTok. Pick up your phone, go on Instagram, and start scroll till you find a video. And let's just say this video works. It's funny. I think it's funny. Copy it, go paste it over to the Instagram video downloader. Just search that up, Instagram video downloader. Paste it in there, and then download, and then you're all set. You take that video that you just downloaded and you go import that into Canva. It's free. Hopping back on the bigger screen here, you import that into Canva. So now you have a template that's clear that just has the video. You crop that video just on the video size, so not the whole portrait. And then you input like this little tweet headline. So you know how tweets look like? They have the profile and then they have the tweet, which is the caption. Just put your profile with the blue check mark, simple, put it out there in the template, and then put your caption, something funny like, oh my God, I can't believe you did that, or POV, I don't know what the heck this is. Put it in there, combine those, and it's simple. Profile, caption, video, and you're done. Take this video, go get your phone again, open your Instagram account, TikTok account, whatever account, post. You're done. But London, wait. What about the hashtags? What do I do about that? Well, just put some random hashtags in there. For example, this video is about a fish getting hooked for fishing. I just put fish, fishing, ocean, just a bunch of stuff that relates to the video. It's not gonna make a big difference as long as you put stuff that relates to the video. Make sure you do hashtag funny. I always do that and it seems to work pretty well. We have the video posted. Now, how are these people going to click on a video or some link and that's going to get us paid? Well, that's called CPA marketing and we need a platform to do that. So let's go download one, and that is called Glitchy. Now, I'm not paid a dime to say this. I generally think Glitchy is the best CPA platform right now out to market. I've tried many of them and I just think they're the best right now. And that's a free plug. So download Glitchy or whatever you want to use, make an account. Anybody can make an account basically. And then you copy the link. So let me show you. You're in your Glitchy dashboard right now and you have something called Sweetscapes. Now that's when somebody clicks on your link and it's like, you want a $500 DoorDash gift card or $500 Foot Locker gift card. Well, that's basically what it is. I'm sure you've seen those. Now you're going to copy your affiliate link because it is affiliate marketing basically. Click on that and you're going to create a landing page. So make a landing page on a free site. Everything's free here on Beacons. It's going to look something like this. You have your call to action, get a $500 Foot Locker gift card, has an image, looks somewhat professional, and clear instructions on how they can achieve that $500 gift card. That means they know what to do to get that, which means I'm gonna get paid because they know what to do. This next side hustle I started doing at the age of 8 years old, and 10 years later, I stand here today telling you how to flip items for a profit. Probably heard of this before. It's taking one item that is undervalued that you got for a good deal, and then finding a buyer that will pay more than what you bought it for. I'll give you an example. When I started my first successful business or side hustle, when I started flipping shoes at the age of 12 years old to 13 years old. I would go to any thrift shop I could possibly go to. I would go to any Nike outlets, any Adidas outlets, and go to the clearance section and try to pick up undervalued shoes. Anywhere my dad could drive me, basically, I would go. I would go on eBay, scan the barcode on the shoebox, look up what the price is at that time on eBay, see if there was other listings sold for that price, and if it's higher than what I could sell it for, I'd go ahead, buy the shoe at the store, bring it back to my house, sell it on eBay, make maybe 20-30 bucks profit.
Everyone, everyone. It's London here, and this is my friend Jack, and we're at the Nike store right now, and I'm going to show you guys how to make a quick profit just going to your local Nike store. These are some really nice shoes. I got these there, so I ended up spending around $220 in total for all these 3 pairs. And I'm expected a return of around $35 for the size 13s, and for the size 7.5, around $45 to $40. It's around a quick 110 profit. Hello everybody. For these, I thought they were non-reflectives, but they're reflectives. So instead of a $200 profit, I'll be making a $640 profit. So that is pretty good.
I took that first shoe flipping business when I was 12 to 13 years old from making $30, $40 a flip. I translated that to when I was 14 years old and started my trading card business. Basketball, football, soccer, baseball cards. And instead of making $30, $40, I was now making thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars having my first 5-figure business at 14. I put this lucrative but simple side hustle in this video because honestly, it doesn't take much time. Go to a thrift shop, go to Ross, go to Walmart, see what's undervalued, and you could flip it. For the last 6 years, this is what I learned in the business of flipping because I've started many businesses flipping and have made a lot of money doing so. You start with the base items first so you can learn. You're not going to understand how to do things if you don't experience them. You can watch YouTube videos, you can read books, but to get the real knowledge, you have to do it yourself. So the goal in flipping is to start with low capital, understand the game, experience the game, and then work your way up to those high value items so you can have a bigger margin. Okay, something really quick. It's the last thing on flipping, okay? This is the difference from being at a, yeah, I'm making pretty good money to, yeah, I'm making great money, and that is customer support. Have fantastic customer support. Every single flipping business I have done, I've had great customer support and it has rewarded me tenfold. Have great customer support. Okay, let me show you one of my favorite strategies when it comes to making money as a teenager, and that's trading. I just do this with stocks and crypto, future, forex. That stuff just gets a little too much time consuming, so I stick with the basics. The best way I can explain this to you so you can get a visual representation is by giving you an example of what I did a couple weeks ago. Maybe you've seen the increase and the decrease of Bitcoin when it was up to $72,000, and just a month ago it was all the way down to $52,000. Now that was because of the German government. They confiscated tons of Bitcoin, 50,000 Bitcoin, and they sold all of it. Billions and billions of dollars, which massively hit the price of Bitcoin, dropped it to 52,000 bucks. If you're just an average Joe like myself, maybe you were scrolling on the news and you saw that Germany had 50,000 Bitcoin and they were dumping it every single day. So in my mind, I'm like, okay, if they're selling billions and billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin, Bitcoin probably is gonna go down in price. So I did something called a short position. That's a little more advanced, but basically that means you're betting that the market is gonna go down, and if it does go down, you're gonna win the bet. What ended up happening weeks later is that Bitcoin went down to $52,000 and I made a good amount of money on my short position. Now, I would not recommend that for anybody that is just beginning this because it's a little too advanced. It's way riskier. You're leveraging a lot of money on that play. What I would recommend is doing what I did next, and that is buying the dip. Everything goes in dips and incline. So I saw that Germany sold 50,000 Bitcoin, so it's gonna dip and people are just gonna buy up that price. So I put a long position, or just to keep it simple, I just bought Bitcoin at $52,000 and now it's at $67,000 and I'm up, what, $15,000? So I not only made money on buying Bitcoin to go up, but I made it going down, but I suggest you make money on the ups. That was simply by reading the news and understanding that the markets always go up and they go down, they go up and they dip, based off of news. And where does the emotional value come from? Comes from news. This side hustle is extremely part-time for me now. I used to do this full-time by the age of 13 years old all the way to 17 years old. But now I maybe spend 5 hours a week on this, and it makes me a really good return of money. But remember, I have years of experience in this. You're not gonna get to this level really quick, but you can easily make a quick buck with this if you just do some research, understand what markets are driven by, and look at news. Even if you liked any of these side hustles, go out there, try them for yourself, and you will be shocked on how much you can achieve if you really put your mind to something. Trust me, because I've been there. Adios.